There's a lot of places I'm going to try and get to see. I mean, initially, I quite fancy looking at Dunkirk for obvious reasons. The following day, I'm definitely going to drop into Waterloo and look at the battle site there. Welcome to Belgium! Looks a little bit like France at the moment. Welcome to a very windy Waterloo. According to Abbo, this is the place where Napoleon I surrendered back in 1815. So this is apparently where the battle took place. It's a beautiful location. Back in 1815, this area was owned by England and the Netherlands, I believe. It wasn't even part of Belgium. I'm sure Belgium existed back then, but what do I know? Anyway, I only came here because Abba wrote a song about it, so I'm off to Luxembourg. See you later. on the way to Luxembourg. I'm not sure what road I'm on. Following the sat-nav's instructions, so I hope it's right. So it's time for a food break. I'm absolutely starving. My backside is sore, my hand's sore, and it's really really hot. It's just got a bit cloudy, but it's about 30 degrees. It's really warm. I feel the heat of the engines on my legs then going along. So. But I've just stopped at the sign that says monument, but I don't know what it is. I didn't know this was here. This is amazing. This is all to do with the Second World War. Burned down by the order of German General Ludwig on September the 7th, 1944. That looks like a statue of a soldier there. It's obviously a war memorial. And I found this plaque over here. Presented to the citizens of Band and area by veterans of the 1st Canadian Parachute Battalion. On January the 11th, 1945, at 0900 hours, soldiers of the 1st Canadian Parachute Battalion, as part of the 6th British Airborne Division, arrived to liberate Band from the retreating German troops. With the village secured, a young boy took members of the battalion to a ruined house to show them the frozen bodies of 34 Belgian civilians murdered by the Nazis and thrown into exposed basement. The Canadians were ordered to move on at 1100 hours after handing over Band to the 9th Battalion of the 6th British Airborne, dedicated in memory of those Belgians who were murdered here, June 2004. There you go. So amazing what you find when you stop off at the side of the road for something to eat. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Well, it has to be said, I don't think much of these dark clouds. So I've come from really bright sunshine to, I think I better get a move on. So let's see how quick I can get to the hotel. Guessing I'm not too far away from where I'm staying tonight, but who knows? I wouldn't have thought I was more than 5 miles away. I can't see my phone because it keeps overheating, so I've had to hide it somewhere out of the sun. So every now and then I get told, turn right, turn left, at the next roundabout. There you go, just said in my ears, turn left. How many units? See? I wasn't paying attention yet again. I don't know if that's it. Let's find out. Has to be said. Luxembourg's pretty cool. All roadworks. Go on, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green. Oh damn. guess we're here. What a beautiful place. But you could definitely stop in worse places. Mind you, we haven't been inside yet. Still spot of fishing. No, it's not.